Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you some important news about Neostock, and I would like to split my view about this company on two ways. The first one, which will be related about the technical analysis, and the second one, it will be absolutely about the fundamental analysis. Initially, I would like to start with technical analysis due to the reason that analysis must be done in a consistent manner in order to have the desirable result for a portfolio. Okay, so as we can see here, this price absolutely has this consolidation at this flag pattern. Okay, and the price it maintains at this level range. It's absolutely enough well for us. And if we are going to check about the candlesticks we have here, we had a fake breakout, and I believe that it was a good fake breakout due to the reason that there is enough possibility right now to have much more consolidation here and then to have this breakout, which will be much stronger than the breakout in case that we had this breakout some days ago. Okay, so maybe right now it has some depreciation. It not maybe that exactly the time for Neostock to do this breakout about the previous week, and we are going to check what can happen right now approximately at these days that actually may be following for this week. Okay, my forecast about Neo is that there is plenty of strong levels, support levels that actually Neostock can actually test, and it can be the first one, the horizontal line. This it could be the second too. Okay, so for people who actually believed me and actually closed the portfolio, they have a portfolio at this level and take this profit, will not be so stressful about it due to the reason that any of these losses, even if the price just touched at this level or at this level too, will not gonna burn your portfolio due to the reason that you had almost so enough profit. Maybe not all of this portfolio, all of this profit, but when I just suggest you at this breakout here, you actually could have 25, almost 30% increase. So the decrease of 15%, it will be absolutely not so much harmful for you. Okay, so right now we have already eliminating the risk. Okay, and just you can absolutely leave your portfolio to run out and to check what can happen also at this stock. But in case that something like that can actually break down and goes down and down due to the reason that NEOS volatility is much higher and from other EV stocks, and maybe some of the news or something like can actually manipulate this company, can break down this level, it could be much riskier. And we had almost fall from some previous days ago, almost 9%, which is enough big percentage for this company. Okay, and actually I would like to mention here that this decrease will not be systematically goes down. It was be so much enough, well, so much high volatility and just push this stock to go down, that you will not just test some of the levels in case that someone would like to draw some levels at this level range. And I'm talking about the $5.6 and 5.35. Okay, so I believe that it's much risk right now to go into Neo, but in case that you would like to have a long position about it, I will suggest you to take into consideration these levels that actually I have already drawn. Okay, but I believe that it's not a correct timing to go or a long or a short term due to the reason that there are plenty of views and the risk that actually I just take it from this previous day was about 9%. I believe that it's something difficult right now to express my opinion about it. But in case that you would like to go in a long term, just take in consideration these support zones. Okay, but the best actually the best actually move right now from this stock, and it will be at this consolidation. And I will suggest to all of the traders that actually would like to do this analysis on a 4-hour time, on a 1-hour time, and whatever it can be, to be patient and to not take much higher risk, because it will be burn your portfolio and it will not be so much helpful for you to understand what exactly happened on this price. Okay, right now I would like to show you some important news, some important events about the fundamental analysis, which will be much important to understand if this stock could be work in time frame, will be, for example, in 1 year and 6 months. So as you can see here, this event on 10 May, it's about the new tariffs on China EV. Okay, it's much important for us to understand that. You are going to check what exactly goes to happen. Is that the politically from Biden and Trump, okay, positioned as strong against economic policies for China's company, okay? So America just proposing a 60% tariff on all of the Chinese import if he returns to office, okay? So this event is much harmful for stocks which actually located in China, and NIO stock each one of them. So I believe that it is much important event for this stock, due to the reason that maybe the EBITDA or some of the earnings ratios or earnings per shares could be decreased, due to the reason that this tariff it absolutely much important, much harmful for this company. Okay. Furthermore, I believe that a good enough well event for this company and is, okay, hold on to find out this. It will be this one. Due to the reason that China's NIO aim to launch a new car model per year on the brand. China's electric vehicle, as you can see, said on Thursday will launch one car new model, the Onvo brand, and we'll see a second model targeting larger families coming up next. Okay, it will be much important news for this company, due to the reason that in case that this new car it will be have some, for example, enough many sales, it will be helpful for this stock to remain and to have the balance of this exactly news that actually I right now show you, and the strength of this news, it's enough, it will be the enough well important for this company and for investors, not for traders, for investors who would like to trust this company on a bigger time frame. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please push like and subscribe our channel to support us. See you next video. Goodbye.